If we crash land, how's it risky? Plus, how's the fight keep going? I don't know if there's possible field goals there. Plus, there would be cracks. Plus, how's a helicopter like this when you're in the box shape? Even that? How do we even got overthrown? Makes no sense. It's because I'm fireproof anyways. Look at this. Both the fires. Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z Z and all that. Polar bear run. To go. Polar bear ran away. Yeah, it ran away on the deep water there. Look how deep the water is. I mean, the blocks around it. Yeah, we've survived the night, but wait. I don't know how, but there's food. We're all very hungry. I don't have anything. I'm blushing on the chest. Oh, food is out of reach. We need to complete the obby to get it. Easy. Just bologna, just sandwiches with some goodies inside. It's the best sandwich ever. It's like boogers in there. Yeah, filled with something else. Poison. Have rotten. Oh yeah, I didn't eat them. Uh-oh, I took damage from one of those rotten sandwiches. How did I took damage, bro? Like, bro, I didn't even eat one into my mouth. Got 3 stuff on me. Got a stick, food, and cheese. And we'll leave it kind of quick. And what am I also gonna do? What is he gonna do? That's what I thought. We don't have to. We don't have to do this. Like the monster's down there. Hello, hello. Anybody copy? But I have it in my hand. I mean, in my inventory. Hello, hello. Is anyone there on radio? Oh no, you must be dangerous. He will be there in a few minutes. How do you guys know where we are? It's small. I like it. Rescue. The Rescue Man. Well, Rescue. Sure did 5. I think his avatar does not look like that right now. His avatar is different. We're never flying a helicopter again after this. I'm flying a helicopter. Screw that. Alright, flying back to a few hours later. How did he got big? What is that thing? Just... Bruh. We're in a spinning cube. Shit. Bro, you could just basically run. Just go, jump! Bruh, it crashed. How did he crash in water? He could have just... It was so helpful. We're so sad he's dead. so sad he was dead. We're going to kill that monster when we have weapons. Guys. Something wrong. What is that? We're losing fuel really fast. Oh no, that's terrible. Do you know why? Oh jeez. We are in. Put a splash, but whatever. Don't go to the water. It's full of fuel and will kill you. Is it really true? Well, what are we supposed to do now? Let me try to contact my team. There's no power in the helicopter, so we can't contact it. You guys are the worst team ever. Trapped. Yeah, it's not continue no more. We're trapped. We'll make helicopter 2 off of this story. Yeah.